to rock. Let me move to my next destination. Welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on storytelling, self-development tips and vlogs like please, if this is your first time of seeing my face, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning and thank you so much for subscribing. I really love and appreciate you all. As usual, I'm filming with my phone, and because I'm holding the phone, I'm always looking here instead of looking there, but it's going to be very hard for me to look here, so don't mind, okay? So you all know I'll be passing out. You can see I'm putting on white. So you know I'll be passing out soon. Rather, I'll be passing out tomorrow. Tomorrow is my POP. But I'm going to the local government to pick my clearance letter again. So from going to local government, there are places I want to touch. So I just want to take you guys along and to just be like a day in my life, days in my life rather. Let me just show you what I want to do. This is my Nysc crested vest. This is my Nysc crested vest. You can see it's different from this white one. This is my Nysc crested vest. We don't have lights for months now. Our transformer is bad, and it has been taking like years to fix this transformer. And I don't know. So I want to get an iron this. I want to give it to dry cleaner to iron for me. I've washed it, so they don't need to wash, just iron. So this is the hair. I want to install this hair. When we get to the salon, you see everything. So you all remember this rapper, my principal, you know, she's doing as having us, my principal is having a send-off, so she gave us this wrapper, the staffs in the school. This wrapper I showed you guys in my video. You would have seen that vlog right now. You would have seen the vlog that have gone up. So this fabric, we're supposed to sew it on her day when she's passing out, just like a shrebi. But I've sold my own. I've given my own to my tailor. This one is for someone else. Is one of the teacher that is staying around my area. So he traveled when they were sharing this, so I took for him and I'm going to give him today. So those are the errands I run. But I want to go to the salon, install my hair. When going out, I'll give the dry cleaner my clothes to iron for me, and go to the salon to install my hair, go to the local government to pick my final clearance, then give the fabric to who I want to give it to. So that is all I have to do today, and of course I'm bringing you guys with me. So right now my friend is already there and she has collected her own, and she's telling me to come and collect mine, and she's waiting for me so we can go to the salon together. And I don't want to keep her waiting because she might just leave me and go. So let me finish. Let me put on my wristwatch and my shoe and my belt. My belt is not women's. See my belt and my belt. Let me just prepare. I want to prepare soup today. I want to prepare egusi soup. So I'll put the video of how I prepare this soup. So stay tuned. Okay, bye.
Just want me over, girl. I just want me over. And girl, I just want me with you like ice water. Me, pushing me body. Spending my paper. After tonight, I go like today, see you later. Person I offended out. Against me, cause of you, I get many haters. I'm a girl, wine for your guy. Tell me with you, they find for your life. My love fair broke, make a fight for your life. Rolling with me, make a roll you as I like. Me rolling more, roll you to set. Every man want to open bonnet. No fit give, but you want to collect. Better girls cast like a cassette. Mama let, don't you forget. Me I be cocky, but now I dey best.
Oh my god, I'm just being happy, you know, that I'm passing out finally.
I don't dey fall.
Not easy. It's not easy. Let me just pack.
See yourself.
So everything. So guys, I finally collected it, but I don't know if you can hear me because of the generator. So I'll just leave my magazine. Leave my final clearance. So I'm heading off to drop this wrapper and go to the salon. My friend left me. I didn't meet her. She said I should meet her in the house. So I'm going there right now. Bye. Going home. No, I'm not going home. I have errands to run. Let me move to my next destination. Guys, I've gotten to the place I want to make my frontal. I think I want to thread this brows. I want to thread my brows. And also I want to paint my toenails. I don't know for my finger. I don't know if I'll paint my finger. But I'll paint my toenails and fix my front. I said that before, right? I hope you guys can hear me, but I'm here now. Hello guys. My normal way of looking at this side when I'm supposed to look at this side. I know I didn't close out the vlog yesterday because after running those errands, I just have to eat and sleep. I didn't do anything again. I don't know if this vlog is going, but pardon me. Just pardon how I look. I just had my bait and I'm preparing. As you can see, my crested. Guess who is passing out today? Guess who is passing out today? I'm passing out today. Finally. Passing out today. Finally. I can't believe it's 1 year already of serving Nigeria. Okay, let me just prepare and stop ranting again. Let me just put myself together. The next time you see me, I'm looking like a beauty, you know? Let me put myself together. Look at my hair. I did a closure in store. You must have seen the video now. Let me just get dressed first, then I'll come back and tell you guys I'm going, okay? Bye! Look at my final look. You see this hair? It's very huge. Look at my look. Look at my. I don't know if I should do this way. So guys, I'm done preparing and I'm heading off to my POP. My watch and my phone. Bye. Oh my god, you say that I'm not a good YouTuber. Yesterday yesterday was my POP. That was 11th of August 2022. I just want to soak into the moment. I had fun. I knew it would be last time I'll see my friends. God. And we did it in the local government. We didn't go to our camping site. So that's why I didn't close out the video yesterday. So this is me closing out the video for yesterday because I want to start a new vlog. Okay, so please, if you've not liked that video, go and like it, go and comment, wish me congratulations, and give me your prayers. Okay, and secondly, I hope by now you guys must have watched my sweet egusis video. If you have any other style concerning the egusi, please tell me in the comment section. Or if you want, if you had any other style, if the way you cook your own egusi is different from the way I cook my own egusi, just tell me in the comment section. But I just want to close out this video so I can begin another vlog. Okay, stay safe out there. Okay, and I love you guys. Mwah.